don't come here to sleep or slumber. We know some of the stories. So William Robin-Skye was one of the young guys who went off to war, and it's really sad. He sort of, the last time he came home, and he saved a little bird, and he sat in church, and she said she remembers his, you know, his hands shaking like this because he was going back to war. He was just a young guy, and he never came back, and he never came back. He never came back. We're in the Lost Gardens of Heligan in Cornwall, and we're situated quite very much a coastal garden. A garden at the estate here for about 400 years. Jumping forwards to the First World War, that's when the gardens became lost, because the soldiers, the young men who worked in the gardens then went off to the First World War. The garden that, if you came to visit today, you would see was developed from about the very end of the 1700s through to about 1910.
Do you want to explain the issue that we've had?
Yes, so what we've had in recent years is in the productive gardens in particular is we've got this awful invasive weed,
and it's the worst. Like, I have not seen it in the flesh until today.
When you know, when we sort of met you in another context, saw you helping sort of people
weed management,
buying weed, and we were like, you know, maybe this is a way for us to go.
And obviously we got in contact because we were discussing how to process it, and we've spent today obviously education your amazing team, which, and I'm not just saying it, they have been really good at kind of asking the right questions and wanting to explore more, but it is an experiment. Like you know, 100%. We're not guaranteeing anything like that, but if we can control the controllables, I'm hoping that we'll get some results the other side. We're going to be doing some trials with and without the Bokashi process, so we're kind of just seeing where, you know, where it can help and enhance what you already do, but also moving forward, as you've seen today with the demonstration, we've been able to do a process in a lot less time and hopefully a lot less labour, and then reap the benefits the other side. Yeah, so I mean, straight away we've got an issue straight away, because we're actually putting in content where things are growing in different pHs. If we're starting the conversation about Bokashi, the easiest way to describe it is actually exactly the same as what we do in nature. Is soil anaerobic or aerobic? So, when this is your finished product, all we had to do was I'd like to all put your hands at the barrow there. Make a layer on the top like that. Then you want to have some green sources on the top. The nitrogen, obviously this has a moisture content on as well, on the top. nugget of information that you feel that it would be a benefit to any gardener?
Be a little less tidy in your garden. COVID taught us that, because when all of the team came back and certain areas had gone a little bit back to nature, we were like, we may have overgardened this. This is actually really lovely.
Please come and see the amazing team down here and what they've been doing. And thank you very much, and hopefully in a couple of weeks' time we'll come back and see what's going on with Bokashi.
Yeah, no, thank you. It's been a great day. We've all really enjoyed it.